Good morning, everyone. Today is what, January 19?
Hello, everyone. Hi.
It's Saturday. No school.
Yay! And I don't got school on Monday and Friday. Yay!
And I'm already oh, she's eating her
So good.
pancake for breakfast. Look, Amaya's pancake. That's her second one. And a hot cocoa.
And milk.
And milk.
Well, I already drank all my milk.
And I'm cooking my breakfast. I'm cooking white eggs with spinach and tomato. And
What is
garlic
that?
rice. I mix a brown rice and a jasmine rice.
Oh, wow.
That's a garlic rice.
Is that a breakfast burrito? Is that a breakfast burrito?
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll it up.
Mm.
Are you gonna roll it up to make it a breakfast burrito?
Well, it's just no, it's not a burrito.
You said it was a breakfast burrito.
It's a white egg. I make it like an omelette. See?
Oh, what? A breakfast omelet.
Uh-huh. But this is all
That's so
white.
good.
This is all white eggs.
Ow, white eggs.
Uh-huh.
Did you put tomatoes in there?
Yeah, I'm gonna flip it over. Yeah, I put tomato in it.
Woo!
Okay, pull it out. Okay, my breakfast is done. There you go. Yummy!
Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
White eggs with spinach and tomato. Omelette and some garlic rice. Okay guys, let's eat breakfast. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See
Bye.
you on the next video.
Bye.
Have a good day, everyone.
Bye.